how to set up the date. You click on menu, right click, you click on menu, you come to system, from system you come to general, from general you make sure that you click your time zone, maybe +1 +2, what your time zone is. You come here, you set up the date. If you want it to be on 24 hours, set it on 24 hours. If you want to be on 12 hours. So since we want it on 24 hours, this on 24 hours, this is already 12. So if I want it on 24 hours or 12 hours, we're still in the AM. Abi?
Yes, sir.
So that's how to do it. So the voice, how do I want the audio to come in? I want it to flow audio over coaxial. Audio over coaxial means the cable, let's show them the cable. This cable that is carrying the video will also carry the audio alongside. So I will pick audio over coaxial. If I want to use analog audio, this analog audio here, this cable here, let me put on the light of the phone. So this analog audio, while audio over coaxial will flow through here. So thank you very much. So that's how to set audio and time. Then on the SMTP server, the major function of SMTP server, you just set the port address, the number of periods you want it to update every 10 minutes to confirm the time with, then the IP server that I'm using. We have different types of IP server. Currently I'm using Windows. We have Windows, we have .edu and the rest, but I prefer using Windows. So I press OK. What SMTP does is that anytime, as long as there is internet on the system, it will be updating the time every 10 minutes to make sure that the time is correct. Then I'll save my setup. And you can see now, if I check the individual dates now, it's okay. So individual date is okay. There is another way which I can also set my date and time. I'll come to right click. I'll come down to guide. Under guide, I'll click because I want it to prompt. If I want it to prompt, I don't want it to prompt. Don't prompt. Don't prompt means it's not be displaying this you did. I'll click next. Under here, I will enable my DHCP to test it. If I'm having data, I can test my network. Let me ping. Can you see that data is flowing and it's timing out? The major reason why it's timing out is there is no data on the router again. As soon as there is data on the router, it will not time out again. But it's receiving packets, but it's only that it's not receiving data. Let me cancel. I'll press next. Press OK. So you can also use your DHCP to set up your. The moment you set up the DHCP and your SMTP is active, it will set the date automatically. So the last thing I want to do now is how to connect for remote viewing. You watch that on our next video.